What if you win? What if you pull it off? What if you lose that weight? What if you find that relationship? What if you start that business? What if you take that trip? What if all those early morning workouts, all that courage, all that resilience, all that persistence finally paid off? Can you imagine how that would feel? Can you imagine what your life could look like? Can you imagine all the joy? The power of what if should get you in the arena, should get you in the fight, because it gives you a chance. You can win, but only if you fight. If you fight for that life you want, no matter how behind you think you are, you can come back. We all can. We all can win. We all can leave this planet knowing that we won at this game of life, that we just didn't settle, that we just didn't live our lives on autopilot, but we fought and we achieved our most important goals. We wrote a beautiful story of our lives through our courage, our commitments, our actions, and we can leave this life with peace. So what if you win? You can. We all can.